Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo A16. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable screen locking sounds. Firstly, let's go to settings and go to sound and vibration. Scroll down, enter more sounds and haptics, and simply switch this button to enable or disable this function. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.